There are places I remember all my life, though some have changed, some forever, not for better, and some have gone, and some remain. All these places had their moments with lovers and friends I still can recall. Some are dead and some are living. In my life I love them all. But of all these friends and lovers, there is no one compares with you, and these memories lose their meaning when I think of love as something new. Though I know I'll never ever lose affection for people and things that went before, I know I'll often stop and think about them. In my life, I love you more. Though I know I'll never ever lose affection for people and things that went before, I know I'll often stop and think of them. But in my life, I loved you more. I love you more. I love you more.
Minsan sa may kalayaan tayo'y nagkatagpuan, may mga sariling ginig at kanya-kanyang hangad sa buhay. Sa ilalim ng isang bubong, mga sikretong ibinubulong, kahit na anong mangyari, kahit na saan ka man patungo. Ngunit ngayon, kahit ibig maglaho ng kahapon, sana'y huwag kalimutan ang ating mga pinagsabahan. At kung sakaling titingnan, laging iisipin na minsan tayo ay naging tunay na magkaibigan. baka ikaw ay aking tawagan, dahil minsan tayo ay naging tunay na magkaibigan.